Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Arta, and good morning, everyone. Glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Merisa Rahmadani from Logistic Business Administration 6B. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about export procedure. Before we go to export procedure, we should know what is export and what is procedure and what is export procedure. Okay, the first is procedure. A procedure is a specific set of actions or operation that must be executed in a standard or same way in order to always get the same result from the same situation. Meanwhile, export is an activity of transporting goods or commodities from one country to another. So, export procedure is a steps or requirements that must be met to carry out goods export activities. Export procedures include processing of export documents, preparation of export goods, and financing matters. Next is a diagram illustrated by export procedure. Overall, the activity of exporting goods is a trading system that allows a person to trade across countries. Currently, the government is trying to increase foreign exchange by boosting the flow of export of goods. The export procedure is actually more easier than the import procedure because currently there are more rules governing import than exports, especially for the issues of paying a taxes. Now we go to export procedure. First, exporters enter into negotiations. In these steps, exporter enter into correspondence with foreign importer over and negotiated the commodities to be sold. Next is trade contract creation. In these steps, if the importer agrees to the offer submitted by the exporter, the importer and exporter shall make a sign a trade contract. After the trade contract creation, we issuance of letter of credit or LC. In these steps, the importer submits an application for opening an LC overseas opening bank. Then, exporters prepares export goods. In these steps, exporter carry out the production and preparation of export goods. The next process is exporters register notification of export of goods or PEB. In this process, the exporter registers the export declaration of export of goods or PEB to the foreign exchange bank by attaching a promissory note if the export goods are subject to tax. The next process is ordering goods to the port. In this process, delivery and management of goods to the port and to the ship can also be carried out by a freight forwarding company. Next step is delivery of goods to the port. In this step, export documents are included in the delivery of goods to the port and to the ship. After the port is delivery, we customs inspections. At the port, export documents are checked by customs. If necessary, the goods to be exported are also inspected by customs. The next step is loading goods in onto the ship. The shipping company issue a draft bill of lading or BL, which is submitted to the exporter. Next is certificate of origin or SKA. The next step is the disbursement of letter of credit. In this step, if the goods have been shipped, the exporter can go to the bank to withdraw the LC. The last but not least is delivery of goods to the importers. Goods in transit by ship from the exporting country to the port in the importing country. So that is the export procedure. If you have questions, please comment below. And thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention and see you.